Ladies, I'd like to introduce this week's single male. His name's Rance Brotman. Actually, he's a friend of mine. I met him at the grand opening of his bar and club downtown. You want to tell us a little bit about your establishment?
Sure. We just opened up Yuba Bar Club. It's upstairs of Mulvaney's. We have the second level of 2 buildings and an outside patio in the back. We just did our grand opening about a week ago. Been open 2 months. And you two were there to help celebrate for us. And we're doing all right.
It's an excellent club indeed. You're a single fellow, Rance, so tell ladies out there what you're looking for.
Well, I just moved up to Orlando about 2 months ago from West Palm Beach, South Florida. And I've been working a lot, so I haven't really done much on the dating scene, but always interested in going out for a nice dinner and a nice glass of wine.
Where's a place other than your own establishment? Where do you find in town to be a nice romantic spot?
Well, I haven't been around town too much. I mean, I know of some of the restaurants that I'm familiar with, like Houston's, and you know, Pebbles is nice. It's right there, and I'm sure there's quite a few others I haven't even experienced yet because I've been working every day.
I hear you. Once you get some time, what do you plan on doing? What kind of activities you like out there?
Well, I try to get to the gym a couple times a week. Try to do a little cooking at the house, and just right now, just try to get this business off the ground. Basically, you know, what I want to do, get some time. I'm sleeping. Try to catch up.
What kind of cooking? What kind of are you with the wok and all the accessories, or are you?
Yeah, I like to do that a little bit.
Pasta stuff or what?
Yeah, that with Big Hungry Jack that, you know, goes in the microwave.
Really?
The apple cobbler's great.
No wonder you're still single.
Yeah, well, you know, you got to spend your money in the right places.
So what's the next question?
Well, it's obviously Rand's tired of spending money on just himself, so ladies, you need to give him a call and have him share some of that.
Gosh.
Yeah.
But you can get in touch with Rance here at Michelle Valentine's email address, michellevalentine@mailcity.com. And anything else you want to add?
Oh, wait a minute. What kind of a woman are you looking for? We have no idea what you're looking for.
Well, I like an athletic young lady, somebody that doesn't want to play games anymore and just wants to kind of shoot from the hip and kind of knows where she is and not a whole lot of insecurities. You know, with my kind of a schedule and the kind of person I am, somebody really has to know who they are in order to get along with me pretty well, so.
Thanks for joining us.